Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into a Webull account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for Webull right over here. Once you've searched for Webull just like that, it's going to go ahead and pop up. Simply download and install this application right over here and tap on open. Now, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, just tap on this sign up button. Go ahead and enter your email, or you could also switch to a phone number right over here. And simply once you've entered your email or your phone number, simply tap on next and then go ahead and create a password. They will also send a code to the email or the phone number that you'll have to verify again by entering it back into this application, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on